In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize business tasks and boost efficiency with ClickUp. Whether you're already familiar with ClickUp or you're completely new to it, this step-by-step guide will help you streamline your workflow and get the most out of this powerful tool. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. This platform serves as the hub where productivity meets dynamic collaboration between software, AI, and humans. Once there, you'll see various options related to optimizing your productivity, but right now, our focus is on the login process. Look towards the top right-hand corner of your screen, and you should see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the login page where you'll have several options to enter your account. For simplicity and convenience, select the Continue with Google option. This method is quick if you already have your Google account connected to ClickUp and saves you the hassle of remembering another password. Once you're logged in, locate the plus icon in the user interface. Clicking this icon will allow you to add new elements to your workspace. You'll then see a drop-down menu with several options, and you'll want to select Templates. Using templates is a great way to standardize tasks and improve efficiency, particularly in a business context where consistency and repeatability can save a lot of time and effort. After clicking Templates, it's a good idea to clear any previous searches. There should be a clear search button, which will ensure you're starting with a fresh slate to find exactly what you need. Now that your search bar is ready, type in Business Directory. This search will lead you to specific templates tailored for organizing business-related tasks. In the search results, find the Business Directory template and click Use Template. Doing this prepares the template for integration into your existing workspace. With the template loaded, look for the Business Directory form option. Clicking on this will bring up a form view of your business tasks and contacts. Next, navigate to the Directory list. This section is particularly useful for keeping an overview of all your tasks and their progress. It's like having a comprehensive to-do list, but with far more functionality, ensuring you're on top of everything. From here, access the Active Contacts by clicking the corresponding option on your screen. This feature helps in maintaining updated information on all the business relations you're currently working with. Finally, you'll want to check out the Business Status section. This area provides insights into the performance and status of various tasks and projects within your business framework. And there you have it. You can now organize your business tasks and enhance your productivity using ClickUp. By leveraging these templates and functionalities, you're setting yourself up for a more organized and efficient workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide will make your task management easier and more effective.